around the perimeter of, or the outside, or the exterior perimeter of this lilac bush. I actually want a clear space at the base so I can make a garden. Okay, so I am actually cleaning this space under the lilac bush right here because it's coming forward too much. So I'm clearing out under there, and that will also give me a bigger area to put the garden. We are making progress, my friends, big time progress, and I am so happy about it. Yesterday, I started pinning down the weed fabric around this, and I'm going to be working on this, and I'm also be doing some cleaning in the garden, in the grapevine lounge and across to my rock garden. And I think we may try to see if we can get to the front, because I do have some plants that I purchased a couple of days ago, and so I want to try to start getting some of them in the ground. If this is your first time on the retreat, welcome. So nice to have you. Thanks for stopping by. My name is Peaches. My family and I are creating a cottage garden retreat, a place to share with others where you can come on out in the countryside of Ontario, disconnect and reconnect with nature. So yeah, thanks for being here. Remember to hit subscribe and turn on your bell notification so you won't miss out on any videos, because not only do we work in the garden doing some gardening, but we also do a lot of like DIYs to build structures to enhance your gardens. And yeah, we do a little cooking sometimes too. Yeah, it's a variety, and some country living. So yeah, come on with us. Yeah, oh, that's a frog. That belongs in the pond. Baby, you belong in the pond. What you doing there? Huh? Oh, yeah, you can't hardly move. I should get a little container and get you in the pond place. Well, I got my gloves and I came back. Oh, here is a little baby over here. I'm gonna rescue it. Oh, there we go. Okay, come on, guys, let's go. I should have put it on the other hand. No, it doesn't matter. Come, guys, let's go. Let's take this baby. Check it out. Let's take this baby to the pond place. Yeah, the pond place is ahead of us there. If you've been here before, you know where the pond place is. Yeah, it's a lovely sanctuary. I'm putting this down because I gotta go ahead and open this gate. My husband built this gate. Yeah, and I built this lovely arbor. See what I'm talking about? Those are the, and we built this greenhouse she shed. It actually has a loft area on the inside. Drop some peach emojis in the comments and let me know if you want to go on inside and see what it looks like in there. I'm making my way through. The pond place. Check that out. That's comfy. I built support for it, but I guess the support needs attention. So we're at the pond place and there's some frogs in the pond. So this baby I'm gonna put right here on the rock, right here. I don't want any grass here. Get away, grass. Okay, so I'm gonna put this baby right here. Oh, sorry, baby. There you go. Oh, you're at home. This is your hotel. This is your stay for the summer. You don't need to be out there. Wow, these flowers are beautiful, guys. My coreopsis that I started from seed. Can you see it? This is beautiful. I'm going to have to plant more next year. This is so pretty, man. And I was wondering, how comes I don't see any frogs like on the lily pads and stuff? But yeah, they are now out. They're now out. I can see frogs on the lily pads. I have some more coreopsis over there. And we do have some ripe strawberries. We can pick strawberries. Let's go over there and have a couple strawberries, guys. Let's have a couple strawberries. Do you want to see the frog? Okay, before we leave, let's see. What did it do? Where is it? Oh, it moved. But it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. It's with family and friends now. There are quite a few frogs in the pond. Yeah, but check this out over here. Now, one time I reaped some strawberries and somebody said, "Oh, those strawberries are not ripe." But you know something? I don't mind reaping the strawberries when they are not like very, very ripe because they're less sweet. And I'm sorry, or should I say, I'm not sorry. I'm not washing it. And there is so much blooms. That means we're going to get quite a bit of strawberries. Mm, mm, mm. Okay, my family, all the time, they need to come out into the garden so they can get fruits too. I'm literally eating the fruit of my labor. Time to time, my plans around here change. And one change I'm going to do right now is, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go ahead and help to pack the rocks. Okay, to do that, I'm going to pack. And then when you guys are done trucking, you will finish doing the packing for me. Okay? Thanks. Can you imagine? I truck all these rocks from the back and all over the place to put there at the front. But she's not as strong anymore, so she needs help. That was 11 years ago. Oh yeah, that was 11 years ago, friends. That's quite a chunk of time. Aging gracefully at almost 59. I grew up with a saying back home in Jamaica, whatever is worth doing well. So I try my best to do what I do well. It's not a big one. Yeah. I like the look that this border at the back here is going to give. And then in the fall, I'm going to be relocating the lavender bushes all the way around the front of this. I think it's going to look good. It's going to be good. Thank you guys for your contribution to Comfy Acre building. It is, this rock is pretty interesting. Let's see if I don't have to use it. Because as I said in a few videos, we're living on the Canadian Shield. And I haven't been talking about it much, but living on the Canadian Shield means that we have a lot of variety of rocks, granite, and lots of other rocks that are so interesting. But there are challenges too. Because one of the challenges is that we are on a thin layer of soil on the Canadian Shield. So it's challenging to grow vegetables and fruits. And so I am going to have to get to a point where, and I think I'm at that point now, where I have to feed my fruit trees and my veggies a lot more organic fertilizer, manure, just to help them to grow and produce as they are supposed to produce, because the soil on the shield is naturally acidic. It's probably down to 3 on the acidity scale. And so I have to do a lot more soil amendments, right? So yeah, I haven't been talking about it much, but there are challenges here. But you know, your girl's strong. She's gonna push through. She's gonna do whatever she needs to do. Hit some subscribe and come along with me out here in the countryside and drop me some peach emojis if you like what I'm doing out here. This is another interesting rock too. It's gonna show even better. What I want to do is save some of these rocks, and I'm gonna clean them up and use them strategically.